This is the Klansman Roundup. I'm Davina. The historic trial of 33 members of the notorious Klansman gang got underway on Monday in the Supreme Court in Kingston and saw a buffered security blanket around the precincts of the court building, traffic changes, riveting testimony, and an early adjournment. The accused gang members, which includes at least one female, are facing 25 charges, including being part of a criminal organization, murder, conspiracy to commit murder, arson, and illegal possession of firearms and ammunition. They are being charged under the Criminal Justice Suppression of Criminal Organizations Act 2014, known as the anti-gang legislation. The judge-only trial is being presided over by Justice Brian Sykes and is the first criminal trial to have aspects electronically broadcast in the country's legal history. The trial is being held via video link. The gang members are part of a faction of the criminal organization reportedly led by Andre Blackman Bryan, who is accused of ordering several murders and leading a ruthless campaign of extortion and illegal gunplay. On Tuesday, the prosecution brought its first witness, who is the former personal driver for Bryan. He also handled the gang's financial affairs. However, his testimony was cut short after a technical glitch threw a spanner in the works. Testimony continued on Wednesday. The witness admitted to collecting huge sums of cash in extortion fees on behalf of the gang and said powerful members of society were backing the gang's criminal activities. He told the court that money was collected 6 days a week at the Spanish Town Municipal Bus Park. He said the money was used to buy guns and ammunition and pay legal fees. He also testified that Bryan had ordered the killings of several persons in the corporate area and St. Catherine, including a deportee known only as Rasta. The witness confessed to driving a rented vehicle as the getaway car in the January 14, 2018 murder. The testimony of the first prosecution witness is still ongoing. He is one of 2 former gang members who are testifying against their former cronies. The Klansman gang has its main bases in several Spanish Town St. Catherine-based communities. The gang imploded after the police killing of former leader Donovan Bulby Bennett, who ruled operations with an iron fist and had been on the island's most wanted list for over a decade. Bennett was cut down in a gunfight with lawmen at his palatial home in Tanaki, Clarendon in October 2005. That was the Klansman Gang Roundup. I'm Davina.